Introducing DJI Matrice 400. Engineered for power, built to conquer any challenge. Matrice 400 features a next-generation airframe, integrating a new high-capacity battery, LiDAR, millimeter wave radar, omnidirectional vision, video transmission, a relay module, and an advanced computing module. It supports a maximum payload of 6 kilograms and allows advanced payload configurations. Matrice 400 is ready for any task, rain or shine, wind or dust, undaunted and unstoppable. Even with H30T, it delivers up to 59 minutes of forward flight and speeds up to 25 meters per second. The O4 Enterprise Enhanced Transmission offers 40-kilometer range and supports dual DJI cellular dongle 2 for more stable signals. When inspecting across mountainous terrain, the airborne relay video transmission helps eliminate blind spots and overcome barriers.